Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to permanently delete WhatsApp chat backups from your Google Drive. So to delete your WhatsApp chat history from your Google Drive, you need to go to your WhatsApp and open settings. Here you can see chats. Click on here and you can find chat backup. Here you can see I last uploaded my chat history to my Google Drive on January 16. So here my chat is backed up in my Google Drive. So now I need to open my Google Drive application. Here you can see the three bar icon in the top left corner. Click on this and click on backups. Now you can find here, this is my WhatsApp chat backup file. You just need to delete this file to clean up your WhatsApp chat history. Now click on this three dot menu and tap on delete backup, and you need to confirm the deletion. Now you can see your backup is deleting and it's deleted successfully. You can check it again. Here you can see no backup here. That means your WhatsApp chat backups and all the chat histories has been deleted, and you can start using a fresh WhatsApp, no previous message. So this is the whole process, very simple. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe.